How to reset your Windows. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily reset your Windows completely. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and right click on your Windows icon to open up your settings. And from here you want to head over to System. And if you scroll down, you'll find Recovery. Click right here. And under your Recovery option, you will find Reset this PC. So you have to note there are actually two ways to reset your PC. The first one is to completely erase everything, and the second one is to keep your important files and just reset other things. So here you will see two options: to keep my files and to remove everything. And to keep your files, what you can do is just click right here. You can do cloud download or local reinstall. And if you go back and remove everything, you will also have two options. So cloud download is usually faster. So if you click on it, what this will do is it will remove all of the apps and files. It does not clean the drive, deletes all of your files from Windows Drive, and downloads and reinstall Windows. Once you do that, you can press on next, and then it will ask you if you want to keep your files or not. So from here, what you need to do now is just continue with the process, and then it will show you how you can easily reset. You will just have to confirm that you want to reset, and then you are good to go. So that is pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.